Hello everyone, as you may or may not know, I created a Minecraft launcher and I have just recently done a full UI overhaul. Here's how to download the launcher. Step 1. For unknown reasons, my Windows Defender keeps flagging my launcher as a virus. So, please disable virus and threat protection here like this. And if you want to check for any malware, just download the source code. It's fully open source. Download the source code from Github, link in the description, and just give it to Claude or something to do a malware check. But anyway, to download it, open your browser and write extremelauncher.unox.com or enter the link in the description. After the website loads, click on download for free. That will take you to this page and click download Windows installer. But if you have a PC that doesn't support the latest OpenGL versions, I would recommend you download the Mesa 3D patch. So for my PC, I'm going to download the Mesa 3D patch. But if you don't have Windows, there's still the universal downloads page. It has for Windows, Linux, and Mac. It has every single step that you need and the source code. That's where you get the source code. So for me, I'm going to download the Mesa 3D patch and click on save. Now it's downloading. We're gonna wait for it to finish downloading. Again, if you think that my launcher is suspicious, you can download the source code as a zip, don't even extract it, and send it to Claude to check for any malware. But if you are going to download the source code, I highly recommend that you download the developer's edition, because the normal source code has Java bundled with it, and you might have to remove Java. But if you don't want to go through that trouble, or you are scared to extract the zip file, you can just download the developer's edition in Github. Okay, now that the file has downloaded, you're going to double click it. And it might show you a Windows Smart Screen Defender thing. Just click on more info, then click on run anyway. It will show you this user control account, this administrator thing. Just click on yes. And here it is. Click on install. And you're going to wait for it to install then. Again, if you don't trust the launcher, you can always just download the source code from GitHub and run it through a tester, which is Claude. Just run it through Claude, tell it to check for any malware. And even after you verify it and you see that there isn't any malware, you can still run it directly from source code using the run.bat file. That's if you still think that it's sketchy. But anyways, I'm in my desktop now. I'm going to double click the launcher icon. And you will see the window open. You're going to see this. It's just that you haven't set up anything. Go to profiles, add a new profile. Call it whatever you want. Select the versions and select the mod loader. You can even select vanilla, but I prefer fabric. And then you're gonna go to mods, install sodium, install entity culling, lithium, and immediately fast, sodium extra, and apple skin. Then you are going to go to settings. You can select your language here and select your theme, and even select your font if you really wanted. But here's the necessary step. Please do not skip this. Click on browse on Java executable. Click on browse. Go to C program files x86, which is the Extreme Launcher, which is the directory where the launcher was installed to. Click JDK, then click on bin, look for javaw.exe and double click that. Then click on look for the auslib injector path, click on browse. You're gonna go back to the Extreme Launcher directory, click on auslib and double click the auslib.jar. Save settings. And now you can go to accounts, add an account. I'm gonna add my main account here. Unfortunately for now, Microsoft accounts are not supported due to a bug. But now that I have everything set up, you can click on launch. You're just gonna wait for it to launch. So if you enjoyed the video or at least found it helpful, be sure to like, subscribe. That's subscribing is optional. Like so that it goes in other people's algorithms. Uninstall To Launcher. And yeah, that's about it. Bye. Make sure to download the launcher while you're at it.